So remember, simple videos 101. Nothing too big, nothing too fancy. Well, too big, I don't know. What do you guys think? Oh, wow, that's really heavy. Why don't I be a little smarter and do it this way? Cheap. For the square body. Sounds like a good idea. I was gonna get like an 8274 Warren. It's usually my go-to winch. My 4Runner had one. Previous Chevy had one. This was readily available. It's 300 bucks, 12,000 pounds. Yeah, and I have a receipt, so when anything happens, I just go back and say, hey, Harbor Freight, give me another one, please. So, today's video, obviously we saw that little bit of a welding clip of me getting in the AN fitting for the thermostat housing, or for the SN, but just gonna focus on getting this guy unboxed, thrown on the bumper. Comes with the fair lead, comes with the wiring, circuit breaker, everything like that. We'll do a quick install, make sure it's all spooled up, everything works the way it should, and then yeah, it's just gonna be it. Like I said, an hour a day keeps the crazy away, right? Let's go ahead and get this unboxed, get this assembled, and then get all 100 pounds of this out to the truck. Came pre-wound, which is cool. Styrofoam packages off. Ground, power. Believe these are like the neutral or whatever. Engage and free spool. Cool. All that's there. So let's go ahead and get all 100 pounds of this junk outside. Get all of that thrown on the front of the truck, and like magic, let's go out there. keys. Cleaning up a little bit of mess, throwing tools away. And we saw a quick easy, bolted it in, wired it in, power ground, connect the spots where the the instructions say to go. Always save these for wire ties. Always. Pro tip from someone who's not a pro. So let's take this guy. You can go in here. Take you. Not bad. And a little bit of slack. Oh hey, I might actually want to set you there for a second. Make sure, can you only plug this in one way? I do believe so. I wonder, does it always work? Ooh. Look at that. Ooh. Glove box. Is that gonna fit in the glove box? I think it's gonna. Fuel filters, knife, you know, essentials. Maybe. And there we go. Another one. It's done. A quick, easy hour, and it doesn't like to focus. Now it does. But while we were out there, FedEx showed up. Oh, and behold, this giant box. That's actually, I know it looks funny on camera because it's like, oh, what is it? It's giant. No, it's giant as in like, it's almost as tall as I'm 6'4". S&W Raceworks. They're a chassis builder and stuff like that. They do awesome stuff. Go ahead and pop part of this open so we can check it out as we end the as we end the video out here. Again, thank you to everybody who has been commenting, subscribing, you know, following along with all this junk. Sounds like another truck just dropped parts off. Just got in here from picking parts up. Yep, that's totally a FedEx or an Amazon or UPS that's leaving right now, but let's struggle bust this box open. Man, how do you open this? Ooh, careful. I don't want to cut what's inside. That's what I'm mainly worried about. I'm not worried about cutting myself. Next level vacuum, guys. That's it. Congratulations. You're supposed to become a lecturer. How do you open it?
A few moments later.
Get you guys up so we can see each other. Ta-da! Just a nice big piece of aluminum. Yeah. I'm kidding. That's not all there is. I hope. Let's see. Did I get my Wheaties today? Was this only one of the boxes? One. Oh, this is just the braces and the fish plates. One of the most anticlimactic ever. I really hope there was supposed to be another box, guys, because that's for a rear window kit. There's the fish plate piece to fill in where the cage bars will go. These would be brackets, I get it. Where's the window? Hey look, Average Joe builds. So yeah, I'm gonna be finding out if there's a window missing. And now I'm all flustered because I was gonna end this clip with Average Joe builds, catch you guys later, blah blah, have a good one. And now I'm here like, where's my damn window? Clearly, I need a window so I can put the cage bar. Okay. Yep. Not gonna freak out. It's okay. Things have just been terrible with the mail lately all the time. Average Joe builds. Have a good one, guys.